Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, hi, I'm Stephanie. I'm a busy mom of 3 kids, and I get this question asked a lot, literally 4 times a day. And it's, hey mom, what's for dinner? And I have to come up with an answer each and every time. So let me help you out with that. Tonight I'm making enchiritos. What are enchiritos? Well, let me tell you. It's enchiladas, burritos. Let's put them together. So basically it's an enchilada using flour tortillas. So let me show you how to make it. So this is an enchirito. It used to be on Taco Bell's menu and it was one of my favorites. So here are the ingredients you'll need to make this dish. You can pause the video here to get a better look at all the ingredients. Sauté some diced onion in some canola oil first. Add some ground beef and brown that up together. And now we're going to want to season the ground beef. We've got cumin, onion powder, garlic powder, chili powder, salt, and pepper, and a fresh garlic clove for good luck. Once the meat is done cooking, give it a little taste to see if it needs more seasoning. Once the ground beef is nice and brown, you're going to start to assemble. I've got a 9x13 baking dish here, flour tortillas, and shredded cheese. And here's how you fold it up. You just wrap and roll. Here's a shortcut. Using enchilada sauce in a can. You just open and pour. Now it's time to top with some shredded cheese. This is a Mexican blend of cheese. Feel free to just use cheddar or Monterey Jack. Now it's time to pop it in the oven, 350 degrees for 15 minutes. You'll know when it's done when the cheese is nice and melted. I like to serve these with a big dollop of sour cream or Mexican crema. I like to add some chopped cilantro right on top and serve it up with my cilantro lime rice. I kind of wish I had some black olives because I would throw those on top too. So when my kids say, hey mom, what's for dinner? Tonight I'm saying enchiritos. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.